Well, in some other news involving NYSE listed companies, Darling Ingredients has announced that it's dual listing with NYSE Texas, and the company's going to continue to trade under the ticker symbol DAR across both exchanges. Joining me now for more in studio is Suann Guthrie. She's the SVP of Investor Relations at Darling Ingredients. Suann, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
Joining us in person from Dallas this morning. Great to have you here in New York. And what was this move for your company all about?
Great. Thank you so much for having me. We are so excited to be dual listed on NYSE Texas, as well as the regular listing on NYSE. You know, Darling started 140 years ago in Chicago to support the booming meatpacking industry. In 1986, Darling Ingredients moved its headquarters down to Dallas, Texas, recognizing Dallas's pro-business spirit and entrepreneurial spirit. So just as New York Stock Exchange is moving its Chicago trading floor to Dallas, we really felt we had to be part of this momentum.
Yeah, and I want to hear more about what this will mean for your community based in Dallas.
This is a great opportunity to really showcase Texas's pro-business environment and its entrepreneurial spirit. Texas is one of the most booming economies in the world right now, and we're so excited to have NYSE as part of that.
Our viewers watching might wonder what Darling Ingredients is all about. What is the company's mission?
Absolutely. We are redefining the waste mindset. What we do is we take discards from the animal agriculture and food waste industries, and we turn those into hundreds of valuable ingredients. Ingredients that go back into feeding pets, feeding livestock, nourishing people in the form of gelatin and hydrolyzed collagen. And today, we're also using those ingredients as feedstock to decarbonize the world in the form of renewable diesel and sustainable aviation fuel.
And what does a dual listing for your company mean when it comes to expanding their brand recognition really around the country and I'm sure around the world?
Absolutely. It gives us a lot more exposure. It puts us on the map in more locations. It gives us greater flexibility. And we're just super excited to be part of that.
Yeah. What more can you share about Darling and what's in store this year?
Sure. We just announced a joint venture with another company called Cinderloo. We're combining our collagen and gelatin companies, and we're creating a $1.5 billion revenue company. And it's really to help accelerate and grow the collagen-based health, wellness, and nutrition sector.
Okay, that's pretty amazing here. I'm sure you've probably been to the stock exchange before. So in terms of, what you want to take home to Texas, what can you tell us on that front?
Well, this is super exciting. I cannot wait to be able to have this right home in Texas because there is nothing like coming to the stock exchange and seeing IPOs. It's super exciting.
Yeah. Any ways that the company's looking to really expand its business? I know you mentioned some of the ambitious goals there, but are there strategies in place that the company is pursuing to reach those goals?
Absolutely. We're always looking to grow. What we try to do is we look at how can we get the highest and greatest value for the end products of what we take from the animal waste industries. And so you'll see us continue to expand in the nutrition market with collagen. You'll also see us continue to expand our base business. And you'll also continue to see us expand in decarbonizing the world in terms of taking methane and creating renewable green gas out of that, as well as perhaps maybe some more sustainable aviation fuel in the future.
Okay, that's very good to know. And we'll be watching Darling very closely. Any plans to return back to the stock exchange here for an in-person visit?
Absolutely. Would love to see you guys again.
All right, Suann Guthrie, she's SVP of Investor Relations at Darling Ingredients. Suann, thank you.
Thank you.